Okay, John K. This is your LC995V2 by LesComm. He asked me to do a video on it. I almost forgot to do the video. You wanted me to show you what's been done, what I do to these things. To start with, I've increased the buffer capacitance for the voltage regulator. That's a 3300 microfarad up from 1000 microfarad. Same thing with the input voltage buffer. Increase it to a 3300 microfarad up from 1000 for better filtering and buffering. I also change out that 1N4004 to a 10 amp diode. Okay, with this 10 amp and that 6 amp, these two diodes will conduct 16 amps. Okay, which should blow any fuse or melt any power wire or whatever before it damages the radio. Alright, and that's what those are for, to keep the radio from being damaged if the cables get hooked up backwards. Alright, if you connect positive to negative, then these guys will conduct. And when they conduct, it shorts it out to itself. In other words, if you hook negative up on this side and positive up on this side, this diode and this diode will conduct. Okay, basically shorting out the circuit and blowing whatever fuse you have in line. Alright, there's the Schottkys. Those little blue diodes there are the 1N6263s. There's the filter I upgrade, 15 kilohertz wide filter, vice the 25 kilohertz wide filter that comes in the radio. What this does is cut down on bleed over. The RF amplifier gets upgraded, and of course I adjust the bias on all the finals because they never come set where they should be. Okay, we do a complete alignment on the radio, and of course I complete the modification to give you all three 10, 11, and 12 meters in the radio. The radio goes from 25,175 to 28,755. So all kind of frequencies in there. All right. Now, I don't turn the power all the way up. Run it all the way up, test it, and then back it off just a little bit. Okay? I'll show you that in just a minute. Alright, I'm done with the inside of it. And I think I've covered everything for you. That's what the inside looks like. Alright. More to come. John K. This is your LesComm LC995V2. From the 068 on the east coast of UK. 068 on the east coast of the United Kingdom. Okay, promised you I would show you the output power. Thought you might also like to see the receiver in action. That's static. I haven't been able to identify that static yet. It's around my shop here somewhere. It's not in the shop because I've powered everything down in the shop and it's still there. It's coming from one of these surrounding buildings. 068 on the east coast of England, east coast Okay, let me show you the S meter. Do I have that on? No, I don't have that on 38. There's 38 right there. There's your S9 reading. was on AM, that's on lower sideband. Okay, now then let's do the power check. Get on the dummy load. Both of these meters have 100-watt slugs in them. I've showed you guys this numerous times before, but there are the two slugs. Okay, these are true bird meters. The well, you can see the pickup sections are from a bird. I actually took a couple of bird meters apart and put it in this cabinet and set those two up back there in line through the coax. Hello audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio test, testing audio 1 2. About well, it's over 40 watts peak. That was on AM. Audio, hello 1 2 3 audio. About 42 watts on sideband. Okay. All right. And as I've told you guys numerous times before, peel this red tape off. I put this red tape on the bezel as soon as I get it out of the packaging to make sure that nothing happens to it. And also, don't leave this plastic crap on your covers, because when it gets old and starts to harden, it leaves a mess on the covers. Okay? Let's do this first. There's your lowest frequency. Band A, channel 1. And right there is your highest frequency. Band H, channel 40. Okay. 11 meters is on band Echo. Okay. And I've got it set on lower side of channel 38. Echo's turned off. Now here where it says amp, you didn't buy the RFX option. So this is actually a Roger beep. Your Roger beep is still hooked up when it says amp. That means Roger beep. Also the same with the light. The light comes on, you still have the Roger beep hooked up. But everything is set up. If you decide to add an amplifier, you can send it back to me and I'll set it up so that the there'll be 8 volts on the output connector to run to the amplifier when that's in the amp position, but you will lose Roger beep. Okay? Alright, that about does it. John, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.